want to take PVC pipe and look your spider, and we want to insert. Before we want to insert, we want to put the motor and take the wire. Yes, then we want to tape this for the motor. Yes, we want to stick this double sided tape and we want to stick this motor. Yes, we want to stick this under this PVC and this. Start the cover to be this hole, and we want to insert before because it will after it we cannot take this again. This is the two wire when we insert that hole, and take the switch and insert through this insert that hole. Connection. Yes, we want to connect the one wire of the DC motor to the one leg of the switch, and I saw that this adapter AC to DC conversion. Yes, we want to this two wire is to go into AC, and this is for the LED plus. So we can use this